Let's take a look at a curious interaction between this red-bellied woodpecker and the blue jay that's at the bottom of the screen. The blue jay hops to the feeder, only to be scared away by the woodpecker. As the woodpecker hops, the blue jay will fly away to the top of the tree, waiting for its turn. The woodpecker takes its time, slowly consuming the feed. The watchful blue jay hops around. The woodpecker comes back, and the blue jay watches. Soon it will be its turn, but not quite yet. Life is like this, my friend. Sometimes you have to wait for your opportunity. And once opportunity presents itself, you must be like the swift blue jay and strike swiftly. Have a wonderful day, my friends. I love you, and you can get through whatever challenges the day faces. Fly quickly and eat, blue jay. Yeah.